A Cornish or Fiendish knot, interlocking puzzle. Take apart really easy. We just need to find a piece that can slide like that. And after, no problem. We have the base, this stick, no cutout. We have also these two sticks, they are identical, like you can see, same cutout. For the last three sticks, we have this two sticks with the inside cutout looking right, and this stick inside cutout is looking left. To put back together the puzzle, I take the base, one of these sticks. That will be the orientations. Just turn to have this cutout facing to me. And next, I take this stick with the inside cutout looking left. I just rotate until I have this cutout looking left. Now I'm taking this stick. I need the two cutouts looking up and this cutout looking right. And I slide the stick here. Now I'm taking this stick. That will be the orientations, like you can see, and I place the stick here. I'm taking this stick, that will be the orientation, and I place the stick here. And finally, the last stick that can be slid inside. And that's the way to put back together this puzzle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.